Oh my god, 17 items in one box. Hello everyone, this is Anjali and here I am again with another book box unboxing, which is this. It's quite heavy and it's the March book box. All thanks to Kaffeinated Konversations for this. So without any further ado, just dive into it. I have this as always. And before that, you just look at the packaging. It's beautiful. I just loved it and I literally cannot wait to dive into this. I opened it really carefully to not hurt. I don't want to hurt the packaging. Let's have a close look at the box. It's this box. It says Fly High Anjali because it's a women's theme box, and let's just open it. I'm really excited because I had just looked at the sneak peek of the box. See, so let's just begin. The first thing that I can see, no, it's this. Let's start with this one. It's a beautiful handmade stuff. I don't know what this is. Let's open it first. It's so beautifully wrapped. I don't want to open it, but I also want to see what's inside it. See? I'm still trying to figure out how to open this because I don't want to hurt the packaging again.
A few moments later.
Yay, I've opened it. But it seems we are only halfway through.
Much later.
See, it's the beauty hamper. It has a scrub. It has a body scrub from Soapatite. Then it has a soap. It's heavenly. And this. It's a beautiful package. I opened it in a way that I don't hurt this beautiful flower over there. And yeah, I am just packing it again because I don't want to ruin the packaging. The next thing we have is coffee again. 2 pouches of coffee. Next, it has a poem, and it's this. It's something. It's a competition. It's about some competition, I guess. I don't think it's visible on the screen. Okay, we'll see. Next we have is this cute cat bookmark. It says, why can't you paint a cat red? Right. Next we have this beautiful bookmark of some fiction or fantasy book, I guess. I don't read fiction fantasy much, so I don't know. Then this. Let me open this too.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, these are the handmade bookmarks. See, it was packed in this. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Then I don't know what is that, yeah, it's beautiful. I think they all are made by Kavita. She is just all perfect and beautiful. I loved it. Next we have is this beautiful dream catcher. I think it will go on this side now. Next is again we have the Under the Crescent Moon bookmark. Sorry, I don't know. Then we have a caffeinated note from me. Dear Anjali, it's wonderful to have you in team. Keep reading and spreading good. Cheers. Love, Kavita Singh. Then, wow. It's Under the Crescent Moon character sketches along with the messages, different messages. I'll read them. The next is finally we have a book, Music to Flame Lilies. It's a hardcover. It's by Megha Rao. And the last thing we have in this is With the Fire on High. No. We have one more thing. And it's a jewelry item, I guess. Wow. I have no idea what has been written on it. But should I try it now? Let's try it. It looks nice on this. Next, this is the book box menu. They have written everything on it which they have given to us. It's perfect. It's beautiful. I just loved all the items in the books. I was really excited to open this box. Like all these. Let me count how many items are there in the box and I'll tell you. Oh my god, 17 items in one box. 17 items in just 1299, and if you use my code BookXp 100 you will get it in only 1199 actually. I just loved it, and I think it suits well on me on this top. So yeah, that's it. This was the March book box which I really loved, and it's totally worth it. I just loved it. I don't have any words to express because I was really waiting for so long to open this box, and now finally I got the time. It's just perfect, and I think I'm going to place these here for some time. I'm using everything that has been coming in the Kaffeinated Konversations box. Like everywhere, I have put the canvas on my another table. I have put the postcard up on this bookshelf and everything. And these bookmarks, all of these bookmarks are just beautiful. They are just pretty. Thank you so much, Kaffeinated Konversations, once again. And guys, I literally cannot wait for you to open this box and open your own box. Just go to the website, check once again if you want to check all the contents, and just order it. Use my code BookXp 100 and you will get $100 off directly. So that's it for today. Do tell me which merch item do you love the most, and I see you guys next time.